Okay, so today I want to talk about the Countermatch Regimen. And what comes in a regimen is it comes in a box, and all of the sizes are meant to run out at the same time. So you'll notice in the regimen that you'll get 5 ounces of the foaming face cleanser, 5 ounces of the toner, you'll get 1 ounce of the Hyaluronic Acid Intense Moisture Serum, which is probably one of my favorite products. Number 2, you'll get 1 ounce of the Adaptive Moisture Lotion and 1 ounce of the Night Recovery Cream. And the idea behind it is, again, so they run out at the same time. If you buy the Adaptive Moisture Lotion on its own, you're gonna get 1.7 ounces, and then same with the Night Recovery Cream. So for $197, you do get all of this in a box, so it's your regimen. And who is this good for? So this is great for dry skin, combo skin, that maybe you're not dealing with a ton of oil or acne, but maybe you need something that helps adapt to your skin throughout the day as it gets oily or dry. And then basically just aging skin. So this is great for so many people, sensitive skin. And I want to highlight each of the products because some of these products you might be like, oh, that's something I just want to add into my regimen that I'm already using, and I don't want the whole regimen. So I'm going to talk about the foaming face cleanser. So this has squalane, plum oil, and it is also has phytic acid in it. So you can see it's like a cream-based cleanser, but then you'll apply it to your skin, on your face and all over, takes off your makeup, leaves your face feeling really clean and not tight or dry. And then you add the water to it just to wash it off. I like to use just a nice gentle cloth as well. If you're using our Beauty Counter mascara like I'm wearing right now, I like to use an oil-based cleanser to get that off. Or I find that while this foaming face cleanser gets all of my makeup off, I find that an oil-based cleanser gets off my sunscreen and my mascara a lot better, so I can eliminate waking up the next day and having a little bit of the raccoon eyes because it doesn't get it off. So I like using the cleansing oil for my mascara, the cleansing balm. So that doesn't mean I can't use this as a cleanser all over my face. I can just use a little bit of that oil and then just kind of wipe it off. Or if you have our makeup remover, that gets off our mascara amazing. So that is the first step. The second step, which I really love, and I keep my cloth for this as well, is you can see this nice glass sustainable bottle. It is the Hydrogel Toner. So if you have shied away from toners in the past because they're very drying, this is the toner for you. So it's gonna wipe away those extra impurities, help balance out that skin tone before you go into your serum or your treatment, and then help minimize the appearance of pores. Now, the trick to this is because it's a hydrogel toner, it's not that oily type of toner, but I like to take it into my, it has a little on off. So I put it on and then I like to squeeze it into my cloth on the part that I didn't use, and then I apply all over my face. It feels so hydrating. My face doesn't feel tight, but I wipe away any of that extra that maybe that first cleanser didn't get, and then I set my skin up for the next step. So prepping the skin for your serum. And then this serum is probably one of my favorites because it is an intense hyaluronic acid serum. So it's concentrated, very lightweight. You can see very lightweight. However, you're gonna get that extra boost of hydration before you apply your moisturizer. So you can use this day and night. If you're using your vitamin C serum during the day, you can use this first and then your vitamin C serum on top so you can get that extra glow. And then if you're using your overnight resurfacing peel at night, I would probably skip this step for that night. So your peel would be your treatment step. So, and then just kind of hang on to this. So then the next two things are your moisturizers. So there's a day moisturizer and a night moisturizer. There's no rules on this. So if you find that this day moisturizer is working just fine for you day and night, do that. If you find that you're needing extra hydration during the day, use this night recovery cream. So this adaptive moisture lotion is so great for during the day because it adapts to your skin throughout the day as it gets oily or dry. So just enough hydration. You don't feel oily. You can apply your makeup on over it, but you feel hydrated throughout the day. Then at night, this is a night recovery cream, so it's going to be a little bit more moisturizing, and it's gonna have 2 forms of hyaluronic acid, which I mentioned before. So you're getting that double dose of hydration at night. I love this dispenser. So you're getting an airtight seal and 1 pump. I just pumped 2. I'm gonna actually not waste it and just use it on my arms. And so 1 pump for me is enough. And I've been using this at night and I realized 2 pumps is too much. And so I love the pump option on this because it really helps you save with your product. Don't forget when you're applying your moisturizers to use the back of your hands whenever you have excess. On your neck as well, and then all around. I kind of try to get my ears. And so that is the Countermatch Regimen. If you have any questions or even on a specific product that you want to use and where would you put it in your regimen, reach out to me and I'll help.